Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So as you know that the One UI 7 update is now out for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and if you guys have not updated it, so you are missing it out. Simply go into the settings and after that tap on software update, then you have to tap on download and install. From there you will get to see a new update available of the One UI 7 with the April security patch of 2025, and it has amazing new features and changes with the new update. But along with the features, there are some bugs also available with the One UI 7 update. So the most irritating bug of the One UI 7 update is this lock screen delay. Whenever you will double tap to lock your phone, or when you will tap your power button to lock your phone, it will show you a delay. And this delay is quite irritating. So if you want to fix it, simply go into the settings, then you have to tap on display, and after going into the display you have to tap on screen resolution. So here find the screen resolution option and simply tap on it, and after tapping on screen resolution you have to tap on quad HD plus and you have to apply these settings. After applying the settings you will see that your issue will be resolved, but your phone will be now running on quad HD plus. So until there is no new update available to fix it, you will have to use it on Quad HD Plus, and the issue with it is that it will use more battery. I usually use my phone on FHD Plus, but for now I will have to use it on QHD Plus. So if you are facing this issue on your Galaxy S24 Ultra with the One UI 7 update, so try out this trick to fix that. And also let me know in the comment section that are you on the One UI 7 update or not yet, and if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.